Are you looking to renovate your bathroom and give it a fresh, new look? In this video, we will guide you through the process of toilet remodeling and upgrades in Calgary. From simple upgrades to complete transformations, we will show you how to enhance your bathroom and create a space that is both functional and stylish. Before starting any remodeling project, it's important to assess the current state of your bathroom. Take note of the layout, dimensions, and any existing issues or limitations that you want to address. This will help you plan the upgrades effectively and make informed decisions. Once you have assessed your current bathroom, it's time to design your dream space. Consider your personal style, preferences, and the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. Choose fixtures, materials, and colors that complement each other and create a cohesive look. Don't forget to take into account functionality and storage options as well. One of the key elements of any bathroom remodel is the toilet. When choosing a new toilet, consider factors such as water efficiency, comfort, and style. There are various options available, including dual-flush toilets, wall-mounted toilets, and smart toilets. Choose the one that suits your needs and fits within your budget. Upgrading your bathroom fixtures can make a big difference in the overall look and functionality of your space. Consider replacing outdated faucets, showerheads, and lighting fixtures with modern and energy-efficient options. This will not only enhance the aesthetics but also improve the efficiency of your bathroom. A well-designed bathroom should have sufficient storage space for all your essentials. Consider adding cabinets, shelves, or storage units to keep your bathroom organized and clutter-free. Utilize vertical space and maximize storage potential in smaller bathrooms. This will not only enhance the functionality but also add a touch of elegance to the overall design. To take your bathroom to the next level, consider adding some luxury features. This could include installing a spa-like bathtub, a rainfall showerhead, or a heated towel rack. These little touches of luxury can transform your bathroom into a personal oasis where you can relax and unwind. While some bathroom upgrades can be DIY projects, more extensive toilet remodeling may require the help of a professional contractor. Hiring an experienced contractor ensures that the renovation is done properly and efficiently, saving you time and potential headaches. Make sure to do your research, read reviews, and get multiple quotes before hiring a contractor. By following these tips and tricks, you can transform your bathroom into a beautiful and functional space. Whether you are looking for a simple upgrade or a complete toilet remodeling, Calgary has many options to offer. Enhancing your bathroom not only adds value to your home but also improves your daily routine. Start planning your bathroom upgrade today and enjoy the benefits of a revitalized space.